Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this ViewSonic IFP8650 86-inch ViewBoard 4K interactive display, then please visit the link provided in the description. This display is on a completely different scale from what most people are used to. With an 86-inch footprint and a 4K panel, it feels less like a screen and more like a full digital wall. The moment it lights up, the brightness, clarity, and edge-to-edge sharpness instantly show why it's built for serious classrooms, business environments, studios, and training spaces. The standout element here is the touch technology. The ViewSonic IFP8650 supports 40-point multi-touch input, meaning multiple people can interact, write, highlight, or draw all at the same time. The response is extremely quick, and the precision makes writing feel natural instead of laggy or jittery. Even fast drawing strokes, annotations, and object movements track smoothly across the screen. The built-in microphone array brings convenience to hybrid meetings and remote teaching. You don't need any extra mic setup because the panel already picks up voices clearly from different directions. This makes video conferences, online sessions, and remote discussions feel smoother and more streamlined. One of the strongest areas of this interactive display is the connectivity. With HDMI, VGA, multiple USB ports, and RJ45 LAN support, it works with practically any device. Laptops, media players, desktop PCs, and casting devices all connect without hassle. And since the system includes built-in apps and tools, the display can run essential tasks without requiring a computer attached every time. Wireless screen sharing also expands its flexibility. Several users can cast their screens at once, switching between devices instantly. Whether the content is coming from a smartphone, tablet, or laptop, the casting experience remains simple and intuitive. This is extremely useful for team collaboration, planning sessions, and classrooms where multiple viewpoints are shared. The build quality feels professional. The anti-glare coating reduces reflections, so even when overhead lighting is bright, the content stays visible and clear. The surface is durable and designed to handle years of writing, touching, and constant use. Meanwhile, wide viewing angles ensure that people sitting or standing in different areas still see the same high-quality image. The whiteboard interface elevates the experience even more. There's infinite canvas support, quick note-taking tools, shape recognition, handwriting conversion, and cloud export options. This means brainstorming sessions become more organized, teaching becomes more interactive, and team discussions stay documented without needing photos of the board afterward. Performance is smooth and fast. Switching between apps, opening files, writing annotations, dragging windows, or casting devices happens without lag or stutter. This is important in professional environments where reliability and responsiveness matter. Overall, the ViewSonic IFP8650 is built for people who want more than just a display. It combines massive size, strong 4K clarity, advanced touch features, voice capture technology, and universal connectivity into one powerful interactive platform. Whether it's for a class, meeting room, office, or digital creative space, it delivers a modern, polished, and efficient experience. If you want to pick up this product, the link is available in the description. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.